Okay, it's me, Paula again, and I'm going to show you something a little bit different in CRM now. I'm in CRM for Outlook, and some of you have it installed and others of you don't, but if you do have it installed, how you can tell is you'll have the CRM on your menu bar right at the top. And as you can see, all of these things are things that you can do in Outlook with CRM. Now, the only thing I will caution you on is it is a bit slower in Outlook. Sometimes, depending on your internet connection, it can get faster. But as you'll see as we go along, it can be very, very slow. So anyway, I'm going to show you how to track an email to CRM. I sent an email this morning to Jason Rasmussen at United Hardware, and I want to set it to an opportunity. So I pull up the opportunity menu here. Now the fastest way for me to find, I know the opportunity is in here already because I put it in here. The fastest way for me to find it is to go to look in my open opportunities. And you will see Gerber Gear United Hardware. So that's the one I want to add it to. And now as you can see down here at the bottom regarding Gerber Gear United Hardware. So it is in CRM, and you can also tell because there's two little people next to it that I'm tracking that in CRM. So if I went to my opportunity in CRM, I would be able to see that email to Jason regarding the United Hardware show. In fact, I'll show you that in just a second. I'll go to my opportunities. Once again, I go to my open opportunities so that I can find it fast. There's my United Hardware. And if I scroll way down to the bottom screen here into activities, you'll see several emails that I have tracked to this opportunity. So they're all here. So my show form is here that I sent. All the correspondence that I have had with Jason and United Hardware are all safely kept right here in CRM. And I did that through Microsoft Outlook. Now you can also do some more things with Microsoft Outlook and CRM. I could actually enter an opportunity. But it's a little, like I said, it's a little more, it's a little bit more complicated. I would go to the CRM record and I'd say I want to create an opportunity. Again, you'd have to wait for it to pull up, which sometimes can take a little while. And here it comes now. Coming up on my other screen here. And there it is. Again, as I mentioned, it's a little bit slow, so you have to have a little patience. And there's my opportunity form. So I can go ahead and fill out all my opportunity and save it and close it, and it would be saved in CRM. And I did that through Outlook, okay? By going here to CRM record, you can do it account, I could do a contact, I could do a lead, I could do all sorts of things. I can also track a sample request. Same process, click sample request. And there I could fill in a sample request that I sent to a customer, and I could track that in CRM as well. You can also record a phone call. If you're on the phone, You can do it while you're on the phone if you want to. Same thing. The phone call record will come up. Subject, who was it to, what's the phone number, and then you can even type your entire conversation in there if you want to. You can also make an appointment. The appointment, if you're, will sync in your calendar down here, and it'll also be in the CRM calendar. So there's lots of different things you can do. Send an email. If you click this email, the email box will come up the same as in Outlook, but it will automatically track it to CRM right away. So that's another way you can send emails. If you know you want to track this to something in CRM, then you can track it right away to CRM by pressing email. So that's just a few fun things about Outlook. You can even do it offline. You don't have to be connected to the internet to do it. When you're offline, you can do all those things. It goes a little bit faster. And then as soon as you decide to go back online again, it will synchronize with CRM.